Hi, my name is Jeremy Kaniski, and I'm the Vice President of Creative at Merge VR, and we're here at GDC showing off some of our new products.
Jeremy, show us what you're showing here at GDC.
Yeah, so the main product we're showing is the Holo Cube, and it's the world's first hologram that you can hold in your hand physically, touch, manipulate, and play all kinds of games with.
So talk about how it works integrated with the hardware and your Merge VR headset.
Yeah, so the Holo Cube by Merge is essentially a holographic object. The phone that you put inside the headset, you drop it in, recognizes the pattern on the cube, and then it really brings it to life. We can program all kinds of different experiences on there. We have 15 or 16 different demos set up that you can check out. So there's really a whole slew of different educational, entertainment, and puzzle games, and all kinds of really interesting things.
And just so our viewers are clear, this is not VR, this is AR, this is augmented reality.
Yeah, so a few years ago, Merge came out with the mobile headset, which kind of was the first product on the market that allowed people to use their mobile phones and do VR, and kind of revolutionized the mobile headset game. And now Merge has done it again with the augmented reality cube here, the Holo Cube. And so what's happening is, there's a lot of companies building these really expensive headsets and backpacks and thousands of dollars of head-mounted display hardware. And this is a cube that'll sell this summer for less than $20. So it's a really interesting concept.
So essentially you have your Merge VR headset, the cube, and then any iOS device.
Yeah, that's right. It's actually any device, period. So this works on iOS, this works on Android, 94% of the smartphone market. So it doesn't matter what platform you have, this cube will work for it. So
talk about one of the challenges at working in AR, because like you said yourself, a lot of companies haven't been able to nail it on the head quite just yet.
Yeah, so the really interesting thing about this is because it's so tactile and it's something you can hold and squeeze and move around and physically manipulate instead of using gesture-based controls and things like that, we're really starting to define a variety of different interaction models in augmented reality and in mixed reality, or as we call it, merged reality, the ability to physically manipulate the thing, and defining those interaction models and how you twist something and how you turn something and how you spin GUIs around and user interfaces and stuff like that. The entire UX is something that we've been prototyping and trying to better understand, and we think we have some cool examples of it.
So talk about what goes behind the scenes. How do you engineer something like this to work flawlessly with basic consumer hardware that's currently out?
Yeah, so this is all built on basic computer vision technology. So it's all recognized by an RGB camera in any phone, and it scans it and brings to life using a game engine whatever content you put on it. So there's really no trickery here. People ask what's inside the cube, and we just tell them magic. But otherwise, it's really a foam toy. Really interesting.
So is this a dev kit? Can people actually have access to this hardware and design around it?
Yeah, so 2 days ago at a big event here in San Francisco at GDC, we announced that we're opening up the developer kit for this. So you can go on our website, dev.mergevr.com. You can download the SDK. We'll send you a free cube, and you can get started developing all kinds of stuff on it, all you want. There's no barrier to entry. We don't charge you any money. We're not taking any licensing or royalties or anything like that. You build whatever experiences you want, and when this cube is in the hands of millions of consumers, ideally they're going to be looking at other developers that are also creating cool stuff besides just us. Yeah, so the whole idea of the Holo Cube is this is the toy of the future. This is the way that these are going to be the things in the kids' bedrooms as we move into the future. This is also the Holo Cube by Merge now, but there's also going to be many Holo products that are following this that are going to be really interesting. So imagine a suite of different objects that when you look at them come to life and start being interactive and responsive and things like that.